Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. For our last video on panel safety inspections, I'm going to talk about subpanels. Subpanels are breaker boxes being fed from the main panel. You want to follow all the same steps in my panel safety inspection videos for main panels when you are inspecting subpanels. There is just one extra step to do in subpanels. You want to make sure that the grounds and neutral conductors are not bonded together. The grounds and neutrals should only be bonded together once, and that should be at the main panel. They are bonded together by tightening down this green screw in the panel. For subpanels, the grounds and neutrals need to have their own separate bars. Take that green screw out and make sure no ground wires are on the neutral bar. You do this so you don't get return current going back to the main panel on your ground wire. And if you're wondering whether or not your subpanel should have a main breaker, the answer is, if it's in the same building, it doesn't matter. You don't need one, but you absolutely can have one if you want. For more tips, like our page and subscribe for more videos.